Hello friends, welcome back to Best Notes Tutorials. In this video, we are going to do one word substitutions. I have chosen 40 important one word substitution practices which are extremely important for government jobs. So let's begin with the same.
Question number 1. Something that relates to everyone in the world. What is it called? Option A general, option B common, option C usual, and option D universal. The right answer is option D universal. Next question. An expression of mild disapproval. Option A warning, option B denigration, option C impertinence, and option D, reproof. The correct answer is option D, reproof. An expression of mild disapproval is reproof. Question number 3. One who is not easily pleased by anything. What it is called? Option A, maiden. Option B, medieval. Option C, precarious. Option D, fastidious. The right answer is option D, fastidious. Fastidious is the word which is used for one who is not easily pleased by anything. Fastidious. Question number 4. Murder of a king. If somebody kills a king, what it is called? Option A, infanticide, option B, matricide, option C, genocide, and option D, regicide. Right answer is option D, that is regicide. Question number 5. A remedy for all diseases. Option A, stoic, option B, marvel, option C, panacea, option D, recompense. The right answer is option C, panacea. A remedy for all diseases is panacea. Next question. A dramatic performance. Out of these four, what is a dramatic performance? Option A, mask. Option B, mosque. Option C, mask. Option D, mascot. The right answer is option option C, mask, and the pronunciation, though it is similar to option A, the spelling is different. Pronunciation will be mask. Question number 7. Study of birds. What is it called? Option A, orology. Option B, optology. Option C, ophthalmology. And option D, ornithology. The right answer is option D, that is ornithology. Let's move to question number 8. Ready to believe. Somebody who is ready to believe, they are called option A, credulous, option B, credible, option C, creditable, option D, incredible. Right answer is option A, credulous. Credulous. Credulous means ready to believe, the one who is ready to believe. Number 9. Incapable of being seen through. Or your options are ductile, option B, opaque, option C, obsolete, and option D, portable. Right answer is option B, opaque. If we are not able to see something through it, then it is called opaque. Question number 10. One who eats everything. One who eats everything. They are called option A, omnivorous, option B, omniscient, option C, irresistible, option D, insolvent. Right answer is omnivorous or omnivores. Pronunciation is omnivorous or omnivores. So they are called, the one who eats everything, they are called omnivorous or omnivores. That is option A. Let's move to question number 11. A place where bees are kept is called option A, an apiary, option B, a mole, option C, a hive, and option D, a sanctuary. Right answer is option A, an apiary. Bees are kept in an apiary. Question number 12. One who cannot be corrected. One who cannot be corrected, they are called incurable. Option B, incorrigible. Option C, hardened. And option D, invulnerable. The right answer is option B, incorrigible. Incorrigible. The one who cannot be corrected are incorrigible. Number 13. Who is in charge of a museum? Option A, curator. Option B, supervisor. Option C, caretaker. And option D, warden. So the right answer is option A, curator. Curators are the in charge of a museum. Next, question number 14. Continuing fight between parties, families, clans, etc. It is called enmity. Option B, feud. Option C, quarrel. And option D, skirmish. Right answer is option B, feud. 15. A voice loud enough to be heard. It is called audible, applaudable, option C, laudable, and option D, oral. Option A is the right answer, audible. If a voice is loud enough, it is loud enough to be heard by anyone, it is called audible. Question number 16. A paper written by hand. It is called handicraft. Option B, manuscript. Option C, handiwork. And option D, thesis. So the right answer is option B, that is manuscript. Let's move to the next question. 17. Habitually silent or talking little. These kind of people are called option A, servile. Option B, unequivocal. Option C, taciturn. Option D, synoptic. Correct answer is option C, taciturn. Number 18. To slap with a flat object. Option A, chop. Option B, hew. Option C, gnaw. And option D, swat. The right answer is option D, swat. SWAT. To slap with a flat object. Question number 19. A person who speaks many languages. They are called option A, linguist. Option B, monolingual. Option C, polyglot. And option D, bilingual. The right answer is option A, linguist. A person who speaks many languages are called a linguist. 20. A light sailing boat built specially for racing. It is called a canoe. Option B, yacht. Option C, frigate. Option D, dinghy. The right answer is option B, yacht. Yacht is a light sailing boat built specially for racing. Question number 20. A fixed orbit in space in relation to Earth. It is called option A, geological. Option B, geosynchronous. Option C, geocentric. And option D, geostationary. Correct answer is option D, that is geostationary. Question number 22. A style in which a writer makes a display of his knowledge. Option A, pedantic. Option B, verbose. Option C, pompous. And option D, ornate. The correct answer for this is pedantic. When somebody praises their own work or own knowledge, it is called pedantic. Question number 23. A religious discourse is a preach. Option B, stanza. Option C, sanctorum. Option D, sermon. Sermon is the right answer, which is in option D. Question number 24. A place that provides refuge. It is called asylum. Option B, sanatorium. Option C, shelter. And option D, orphanage. Right answer is asylum. Question number 25. Detailed plan of a journey. It is called travelogue. Option B, travel kit. Option C, schedule. Or option D, itinerary. It is option D, that is itinerary. When somebody gives detail of the plan, that where they will board from, where they will go to, what they will eat, these everything are called itinerary. Question number 25. A person who insists on something. They are called option A, disciplinarian, option B, stickler, option C, instantaneous, option D, boaster. The right answer is option B, stickler. Number 20. A drawing on transparent paper is called a red print. Option B, a blueprint. Option C, negative. Option D, transparency. So it is option D, transparency. A drawing on transparent paper is called transparency. Question number 28. One who believes that all things and events in life are predetermined is a option A, fatalist, option B, Puritan, option C, egoist, and option D, tyrant. The correct option is option A fatalist. The one who believes that whatever things are happening are predetermined, then they are called fatalist. They think that their life cannot be changed because it is predetermined by God. Number 29. A schoolboy who cuts classes frequently is a option A, defeatist, option B, sycophant, option C, truant, option D, martinent. Right answer is option C, truant. Let's move to question number 30. The act of violating the sanctity of the church is called option A, blasphemy, option B, heresy, option C, sacrilege, and option D, desecration. The right answer is option C, sacrilege. Question number 31. A place where monks live as a secluded community. Option A, cathedral. Option B, diocese. Option C, convent. And option D, monastery. The right answer is option D, monastery. Monks stay in a monastery secluded from community. Question number 32. One who is fond of fighting. They are called option A, bellicose, option B, aggressive, option C, belligerent, option D, militant. Right answer is option A, bellicose. Bellicose means the one who is fond of fighting. Question number 33. Tending to move away from the center of axis. It is called option A, centrifugal, option B, centripetal, option C, axiomatic, and option D, ori. The correct answer for this is option A, that is centrifugal. Question number 34. A person of good understanding, knowledge, and reasoning power. They are called expert, intelligent, snob, and literate. Correct answer is option B, intellectual. Question number 35. One absorbed in his own thoughts and feelings farther than in things outside. They are called option A, scholar, option B, recluse, option C, introvert, and option D, intellectual. The correct answer is introvert. Introvert means the one who is not open, who is secretive. Question number 36. One who does not marry, especially as a religious obligation. They are called a bachelor, option B, celibate, option C, virgin, and option D, recluse. The correct option is celibate. The one who does not get married for religious purposes, they are called celibate. Question number 37. A person who tries to deceive people by claiming to be able to do wonderful things. They are called option A, trickster, option B, imposter, option C, magician, and option D, mountebank. The right answer, which will give you 1 mark, is option A, trickster. Next question, 38. To take secretly in small quantities, to take secretly in small quantities. Option A, robbery. Option B, pilferage. Option C, theft. And option D, defalcation. The right answer is option B, pilferage. It means taking away or stealing in a very small quantity on a regular basis secretly. 39. Policemen riding on motorcycles as guards to a VIP. They are called outriders. Option B, servants. Option C, commandos. Option D, attendants. The right answer is option A, outriders. Last question. The part of a government which is concerned with making of rules. They are called court. Option B, tribunal. Option C, bar. And option D, legislature. The right answer is option D, legislature. By this, we have completed our set of 40. We will meet with some other video. Till then, keep preparing and join our WhatsApp group for free, where we'll send you
PDFs and regular videos at 9 p.m. daily. Take care and all the best for your preparation.